Heads is the call, and tails it is. These are the playing 11 for the respective teams. Captain has decided for the pace bowler to come into the attack. Batsman preparing position to face the first ball of the innings. That's a 4. Absolutely nailed it. Marvellous performance. He's an improved player now. You make a mistake, you pay the price. Oh. The man in form has to go. Good length ball is the key. Oh, that's a monster. In the air and 6. Oh, he's got a variety of shot. What's he going to do next? Beautifully connected between bat and ball. Nicely picked up and all the way towards the boundary. He's absolutely smashed that. The ball is high up in the air and it flies.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.